will notice there are links for the different Zoom calls throughout the day for math. You need to please refer to your actual schedule that is listed in Google Classroom to know when you will have math, what period, and what time you should be on your Zoom calls. If you are in my homeroom class, you will be on at 8:30. If you are in Mrs. Dodd's homeroom class and you started with reading, then you will be in math second, so you'll be with me at 10:15. And if you are in Mrs. Martin's homeroom class, that means you will have our Zoom call at 11:45. It is very important that you are on the Zoom call during the time that it is allotted. That means that if my Zoom call starts at 8:30, you need to be logged in and ready to start the lesson about 8:25, because I will start going over things at 8:30. Make sure that you are there on time. I do take attendance to make sure I know who came to the Zoom calls and who did not, so please make sure that you are logging into the Zoom calls daily. This will help you to make sure you are getting work complete, as well as should help with any questions that you might have through the lessons. Math is going to get very difficult this quarter, so make sure that you are logging in daily. If there are ever any questions, you always are encouraged to ask during those times. I will go over a lot of things during these calls, so I would love to have you on every single day. The second, or one of the other rules that we have, is that your camera needs to be on. I know there are a few people that don't feel comfortable being in front of the camera, and that is okay. I understand. However, your camera needs to be on and maybe sitting next to you, pointed to the wall behind you, pointed up a little bit so it's just above your head so you're not on camera, but where it's close enough to where you can participate. A lot of the times I'm going to do thumbs up, thumbs down. And so I need you to be able to put your thumb in the middle of the camera to show me thumbs up, thumbs down. Also, you need to be able to use the chat feature. So in Zoom, there is a chat section, and that is where you're going to type some of the answers sometimes as well. So make sure you are doing that too. Finally, if you have a question during our Zoom calls, or if you want to say something, that is okay. However, make sure that you type it in the chat first or raise your hand. That way I know that you're going to speak. We do not interrupt other people, so make sure that you're being polite and courteous when doing that.